I do agree that it needs a buff. Yeah, there's no way I'll make it right. Oh hell yeah, no. Okay, nice we done. There you go. That summon got deleted by me. Destroy that. Never mind. Oh yeah, I destroyed one girl. Oh, bye bye. Nice. Oh, yeah. I guess you can call this grenade launcher semi-unguided. Yeah, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Modern Warships. Today I'll be reviewing one weapon that I saw on God's YouTube channel about a few weeks ago, and that is the SR5 grenade launcher. And before watching the video, I actually didn't know about some weird abilities of this grenade launcher. So one weird thing is that obviously you have two different projectiles. I mean, that's already from the start. And secondly, in the newest update, apparently you don't need to lock this grenade launcher onto an enemy to fire it. You can just fire it whenever you want. So basically it's semi-laser guided, I guess. I mean, not really, but like God, I have no idea if this is a bug. So yeah, let's see this weapon. I just bought it, but it was a free reward last month during an event. Okay, let's just see its stats. It has a DPM for 523,000 damage. Take note we are on the Admiral Nakimov, so we have 4 grenade launchers. And the DPM is something I'm confused about. Like if you go to other grenade launchers, let's say fireworks, it has a DPM of almost more than 1 million. Same with the RBU, the RPK, the Type 726, Rocket Sun. Rocket Sun and Ikara is not a million, but it's still pretty near. The Astros, the M270, and the Pinaka. But this SR5 is like half of the DPM, so that's one thing I don't understand about. So yeah, so it has a burst damage of 70,000 and a damage of 23,400, a reload of 6.65 seconds, a range of 9.53 kilometers, 3 normal, 3 rounds per attack. Take note, this is one of the calibers. There's a speed of 349 knots. I think this is the guided munition too. Has an initial speed of 15, acceleration time 2.29 seconds, and durability of 80. When you compare that to other guided grenade launchers, it's where is the durability? Slightly lower. Ikara. Yeah, it's lower than most others. What about firework? It's 2 times more durable than firework. I mean, firework launches like 6, so yeah, that's probably the reason. There's an ammunition of 21 and a firing penalty of 40. Okay, so we can't really see the weapons properly here, so yeah. Let's go to another page. I don't know, the stats are just weird. You can't really see all the thing about the grenade launcher. Now here is so the first weapon, which is the unguided grenade launcher, deals a damage of 2,600, a speed of 486 knots, a range of 9.5 kilometers, the same as the guided one, 6 rounds per attack, 3.6 rounds per second of rate of fire. I don't know why they removed the rate of fire from the original stats. A reload of 6.7 seconds, the same obviously. A firing penalty of 40%. So in the past, this grenade launcher used to be insanely expensive, like really expensive, RPK price right now. And then it got buffed, and then because of the buff, the price grew even more to like nearly 2000 because it can hit submarines. And then it came out in the free event, so its price plummeted to now 354 coins. So it's pretty easy to get it. Okay, so now I'll show you the capabilities of this grenade. Oh shit, no, I forget to change. No. I figure I'll just go into an offline deathmatch to show you. Okay, so you see this is the grenade launcher, right? You know how with cannons you can aim, right? Like with the crosshair you can aim here really accurately, but for the grenade launcher, specifically SR5, you don't have the crosshair, but look, you can fire it. Why is this even a thing? I mean, look at this, bro. What is this? You know, I first thought it was a bug. I mean, it might be a bug, but I didn't know it was possible. And look at it. You can destroy the torpedoes with the unguided grenade launcher. Isn't that so weird? I mean, it sort of makes the SR5 more useful, I guess. Okay, I need someone else to launch torpedoes, please. Launch your torpedoes. Nice. Look at that. And it does quite a bit of damage, but you have to aim really well. Also, the accuracy isn't the best on this grenade launcher. Honestly, this ability to fire whenever you want kind of changes this grenade launcher by a lot. So it's probably worth it, I guess. Although it's still not confirmed if this is a bug, like if I got said. But can someone else launch torpedoes? Yes. Can you launch torpedoes at me, sir? Okay, whatever. Let's just try this guy. There you go. Okay, so yeah, that's really weird. And now, considering its DPM is almost half of the other grenade launchers, I want to try something else now, which is to see how fast the SR5 can destroy the bots as compared to other grenade launchers in test drive mode. Because the stats might only show the guided missile, the guided grenade launcher one, not the unguided. Okay, so after the test, obviously the MLRS won by about 2 seconds. But it's only a 2-second difference. That makes me wonder. Yeah, this is definitely wrong. The DPM stat is wrong. This is probably only the guided, or yeah, the guided grenade launcher. They didn't include the unguided one. I'm not sure why they didn't add that in the recent update of the new stats windows. I hope they'll fix it soon though, but yeah, its DPM is slightly lower. I mean, you have to consider you can both flare bait the submarine and destroy torpedoes at the same time. It's pretty OP in its way. Okay, so now I'll be taking this grenade launcher to a few rounds of deathmatch on the RF M1 Nakimov, and let's see what I'm using. I'm using X51 Wave Rider and HVGP Block 1. Don't ask any questions, I just like this grenade launcher. Why am I saying missile, my bad. And then I'm using the Mark 71 cannon. A very nice cannon. I would have used L52A1 but I sold it to get Dragon Wing. Obviously we have SR5. Then the Pan Spatial Dragon Wing, the coolest helicopter ever. Very fast too. Then I'm using 6 Gapoons. I rarely use these air defense, so yeah, just use these for once. Don't ask about why I'm using this camouflage, I just don't know what to use. And the Modern Warships flag. Okay, let's go now. Uh-oh. Yeah, in the gacha event, there's Charles de Gaulle, that's why there's so many. Yeah, he's probably going to target me first, to be honest. Oh, what is happening, sir? What the hell? What strike fighter are you using? Oh, the new Harrier, which is in the premium beta pass. Cool, I guess. He's attacking the heck out of that guy with the RF Vayag. You know, I kind of do agree that he needs a buff. Yeah, there's no way I'll make it, right? Oh, hell yeah, bro. That was such a nice one. Oh, nice. But that was great, that was so great. What are you doing, bro? Yeah, you made the worst mistake. NEC, let's help destroy the... Nice. It's certainly useful at some situations, but the problem is that if the torpedoes are near an enemy, you lock onto the enemy instead. Bro, what are you doing, bro? It's with this kind of players. And he's level 51, bro, what? It makes no sense. Oh, let's go, let's go. Someone is going to target me. Oh. Yes. Run, hands out. A lot more players are using this shit recently. Hey, that's not fair, bro. That is so unfair, bro. Oh, yeah, I knew it. He's using A store. I'm not surprised, to be honest. Not me, bro. Is this... What is this guy, bro? Am I in a bot room or something? The Type 093 AG, one of the gacha ships. What? Okay, what is this lobby, man? This is the weirdest lobby I've met. Okay, let's destroy this submarine. Yeah, I know there's a hunter coming. Nice. Its burst damage is... I think it needs to be improved. There you go. Oh, Hamzao's dead. Nice. Okay, Charles the Wall. And... yeah. I don't think I can... Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's a lot of torpedoes. What helicopter is this? Is that Z-18? I can't really tell. That's a Comanche. Yeah, that's the Z-18, I think. Ow, my bad. Yeah, that's why we have the SR5. But we have to go in a way such that we won't lock onto the carrier while trying to destroy the torpedoes. Oh, nice. Watch him cook. Damn, that's a strike switch. Nice, the submarine is firing its ballistic missiles. Oh. That's the annoying part of oh shit. Oh, he's here. Okay, he destroys him before the helicopter destroys me, bro. Nice. Victory. Let's see. 836,000. We didn't really do much. Our admin. What is this, man? Did he leave the game? Nice. I don't really know how they calculate this too, if he has two weapons. But nice, I guess. Oh, oh, the factory. It's crazy how it has been almost 3/4 of a year since this map came out. I can't believe time passes that quick. Look, who do we have? Ted Stevens, 2 Nanchang Horse Kutch, and 039C. Cool. A spot. The insanely fast dragon ring. 600 knots is crazy, right? Okay. Is he going to solo? Oh, yeah, we are good. Yeah, that is your mistake, sir. Whoa, whoa, come back, man. Seriously, you kamikaze him? That's such a waste. Oh my god. You know what? Let's just go. I don't know what to say. Man. Why is he so laggy, bro? What is this? Nice. Am I the only one here who doesn't have the T122? So that's so sad. Man. Okay, nice. Let's try him. Bye bye. Oh, he's air defense already. Wow, he's air defense. Okay, nice, we're going. There you go. That summon got deleted by me. Jesus. Oh, watch this. Yeah, my aiming sucks. There you go. Nice. That's such a weird round, but okay. 1.4 million damage and 3 eliminations. Cool, I guess. Oh my god, bro. Is does anyone else get this message every time? Like, well, can you just leave me alone? This is an interesting map to use SR5 in. Okay, okay. Massachusetts. Is that Tiger? Oh, that's the T9C. And Aquitaine. Oh, and Hero. I've seen this hero a lot of times. Cool, I guess. Okay. What happened to the oh, he got the friends. Um oh, hello. Yep, he's dead. Nice. What is the FSSMX? That's a rare submarine to see. It's the fastest submarine in the game if I'm not wrong. Oh, he's there. Oh wait, no, that's the no, I'm thinking of the wrong submarine. That submarine, yeah, that one, the very tiny one. I forget that existed. Oh my god. The grenade launcher messed up my aim, bro. Are you kidding me? One of our team is already dead. What is my ACV doing there? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it instant lock? That's one thing. Destroy that. Never mind. Oh, yeah, I destroyed one there. More. Bye bye. Nice. Okay, this is a bit of a tough situation to be in. Guys, be careful. Okay, let's go. Okay. Alright, no. Oh, he's using the one of the gacha missiles. Uh, Brother, help me, bro. Oh my god. And he's using the new nuclear missile in the gacha too. Why is it so laggy? I don't understand. Oh, cool, I guess. Stone Peaks, a bit of a scary map for Nakimov. Oh, we have a done. I almost call it Dunsho ship. What am I saying? It's a Fletcher. He's using buckshot. Oh, the HBJ cannon in the market. I forget what's the name. Is it 29 or something? Yeah, it's a pretty good cannon if you're attacking the sides of the enemy. Yeah, but its ricochet is kind of dumb. Like they should remove the ricochet to be honest. Is that the F-16 or the F-2? I don't know what that is. Where it's one. Is he not using I think he's using like the simplest flying control mode ever. Okay, I think that's the F-15. Brother, pay attention, brother. Oh, this guy is going solo. That guy is cooked, bro. MGS 1 to 6. I'm going to assault him, I think. And there goes his dead. That was so easy, man. Oh, the enemy's there. That. It's kind of sad we can't look that high up with the helicopter. Okay, I didn't lose it. Yeah, this unguided grenade launcher is more useful for uh, close range. Okay, D-Tron. Sorry, Fletcher, I didn't mean to do that. Vladivostok. Bro, I wish I had that ship, man. It's such a cool ship. I love cannons. Why I missed, bro. Nice. Oh, oh, Namchang, why are you doing here? Bye bye. Oh, nice. We destroyed one of them. Oh, yeah. I guess you can call this grenade launcher semi-unguided. Yeah, look at that. It's just that you can't control the grenade launcher once you launch it. Nice. Pretty decent grenade launcher, to be honest. It's kind feels like free version of the gacha grenade launcher that we got like last month. I think the laser guided one, the Swarmer. I think it's called the Swarmer, if I'm not wrong. Cool. Okay, so honestly, this grenade launcher is pretty nice. Like you can destroy torpedoes and stuff, but the unguided grenade launcher is more effective close range. Obviously, it doesn't have like perfect accuracy. Its reload time is pretty good, 6.5 seconds. So if the enemy flash, you can just fire again. But even if the enemy flash, most of the damage will just uh, or not, some of the damage will hit the enemy due to the unguided grenade launcher. And maybe if you manage to launch the SR5 like really accurately at the enemy before you lock onto it, there's a chance that it might ignore the flares. I'm not sure if how that is how it works, but yeah, it's pretty cool grenade launcher. Honestly, not one you should buy first, but it's great. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye. See you soon.